oftentimes Wyandotte County is left behind in the scholarship ranks just because we don't think we can reach these scholarships. So we are using this winning writing workshop to give opportunities where our students feel like they don't have one.
It's been very, very helpful, for one. For two, I had made some networking skills and connected with people to help me with my future and plans on in my better life.
Students are able to find out about scholarship opportunities such as KC Scholars, the Hispanic Development Fund, Kansas City, which is an internship opportunity for kids, as well as get their essays edited by multiple people from different backgrounds.
At first I was nervous because I was like, I don't think, is he judging me or anything like that? But it's really like he's really critiquing me and he's really trying to dive into my essay and trying to understand my essay a lot more better than I can.
It's a great opportunity to know how much money is sitting here in Wyandotte County for Wyandotte County students. And if we just keep letting that money rise away, then it's going to go somewhere else. So we need to get the money while it's here and benefit our community.